The type of stuff we deal with. We trying to hold back this poop. Go ahead, Joint. Go ahead. That baby trying to come out. You see that baby trying to squish out. Come out. Full of roots. Yeah, go ahead. Take your time. I'm holding it. That poop. Poop scoop, baby. This baby is heavy. Is it more? Where your crowbar?
That's it right there.
That's it? Okay. Let's get this out.
Let's see if we can.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Hold on. Go ahead. Go and grab that joint. Go ahead and grab that. Yeah, you keep pulling it, baby. There you go. There you go.
Keep your mouth closed.
Go ahead and there you go. Yeah, keep your mouth closed. Yeah, go ahead. Just go ahead and pull it. All right. Ready? Huh?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Going towards.
God damn it, motherfucker. We couldn't do it, dude. There it goes. Pushing out some, man.
Yeah. That's what I was going to do, yeah.
Damn. There you go. It's pushing.
It wasn't us. It was just because it was...
You know what we should have did? Cut that. We should have cut that in.
Yeah, we should
did it like that, and it was all went in. Hold on, let's do it. Let's try to see something. Yeah, let's get the saws off. I was trying to stop all that poop.
Me too. But it wasn't us though. It was escaping on the side.
What I probably should have done was just cut the top like I started to do.
We should have done
and just got it out. Yeah, I said, man, my saws off. Yeah. Well, at least it didn't get us. Got my boot a little bit. That poop. That's what we deal with. We had to dig it up. Pipe was broken, but it was sewage just full. Look at all that sewage. And we play in it all day. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the pipe here, then it all drains down to the city. But that's where it was broke. But we had to take a section out from here to there. I just told them let's just replace the whole thing, so I can warranty the whole deal. If I would have just cut it here, right with a break, been a 90-day warranty. Replacing the whole thing is a 3-year warranty, so I could warranty the whole deal. And that's what we deal with. It would have flowed smooth if we would have just, if I took time to get my saws off, but I didn't.